couple of months ago, I encountered an issue with my weighing scale. While I plan to examine it further, I've ordered a newer version of a similar brand in the meantime. This scale is a Time More Black Mirror Basic Plus model, and I've also linked the product in the description below. I've done a quick reset on the bottom of the scale and it's not functioning as it should. I don't have a proper weighing calibration tool, so I'm only using a temper for this. I've weighed the temper a couple of times to verify its weight before this. So I went ahead and opened up the old scale to see what was wrong with it. The battery pack powering the scale is about to burst. I went online and checked for a similar battery with a similar size and specifications to the original battery pack and then placed an order for it. I encountered a minor issue where the battery connector isn't the same, so I have to swap it out with the old connector. A good tip on soldering wires is just to follow back the colors of the wire. Red is positive and black is negative. The case of the weighing scale also chipped slightly on the edges because I used to bring this on my travel trips, and it must have cracked in my luggage along the way. So I mixed some epoxy and poured it in the groove to form a new surface. Here I'm trimming the edges of the filled epoxy. I'm not too sure why the epoxy has not hardened since I've left it for a couple of weeks. I then lightly painted it with a marker just to add a touch and make it closer to its original form. I read somewhere online that there is a torque for these two screws, but I'm also unsure. But just to give it a shot, I set the torque wrench at 3 Newton meters and just tighten it accordingly. And there we have it. I think the scale is working again. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. I've included links to the new scale in the description with some other equipments that I use if you want to purchase it. Please like, subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Thank you.